Rachel, and today I am back with a plan with me in my print impression weeks. This time we're going to be using a kit from RachelBeautyPlans. It's Valentine's week this week, so I have chosen the Love Note kit, and this is in the print impression week size. You can also get this in Hobonichi weeks, and you can get this in the full size kit as well. And RachelBeautyPlans has just changed the format of her standard vertical kits as well, so they're a little bit more affordable, and the stickers are a little bit more versatile for you to do whatever you want with in your planners. But it's so beautiful, just perfect for Valentine's Day, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. I love all of these boxes so much. I'm going to try and get as many of them in as I can. And then on this page we've got our date covers, we've got a tracker. I won't use this in this kit, but I will in this spread, sorry, but I will use it somewhere else, and all the other functional bits that I need. So let's get this open and get on. I also wanted to let you guys know as well that the winner of the giveaway has been chosen and contacted. It was a lady called Julie Ratcliffe, and she said that she loved how kind she was and that she was always happy to listen to people. So yeah, there will be another giveaway soon for when I hit 2k, which I don't think will be too much longer actually. I think we're at 1.7 something. So yeah, we'll do a giveaway for that as well. But yes, well done to Julie. I will be sending your goodies off to you very soon. Julie already knows this. I have already sent her a lovely message on Instagram. I feel like I'm all out of breath today. I'm fine. I think I've just rushed around getting the kids ready for bed and sat down, and then my phone rang and I had a lovely conversation with a friend that I've not spoken to for a while. It was so nice to hear her voice. So as I was on the phone, I was setting the table up ready for this video, and then Paige wanted to go to the loo, and Jensen wanted his cereal, but he couldn't reach the milk, and everybody just wanted me all at once. And I'm like, sit down and breathe now. I can sit down and breathe. But I'm good though. I'm doing good. I hope you guys are all okay as well. So I am actually filming this on the Monday. It is the Monday night, so we'll pretend that I'm sort of on time with doing this. And I am 3 weeks behind with my Hobonichi weeks as well, but I am not going to lose any sleep about it, because that is obviously now my memory planner, so it doesn't really matter. I can catch up. In fact, I'll see how long it takes me to film this and what type of mood I'm in, if I'm tired or not. And I might film a video after this as well. I'll tell you the truth, it won't be if I'm tired or not. It will be if I want to get on the Xbox and play Dying Light, if I'm going to be absolutely honest with you. That's what it is. But yeah, I'm good. How are you guys? Let me know in the comments how you are. Hope you're all well. Not much going on to talk about. Just the same old, same old. We had a little bit of snow today. And when I say a little bit, I literally mean it like snowed very, very lightly for about 1 minute. And then it stopped, and then about half an hour later it snowed very, very lightly for about 1 minute. And my kids were really excited. Jensen was doing his schoolwork and he was facing the window and he was like, Mom, it's snowing. And I'm like, are you sure? Let me put my glasses on because I can't see anything. But it was, but it definitely didn't last. I was going to say last more than 5 minutes, but it definitely didn't last more than 1 minute. So I've got my to-do marker up there where it says this week. I've remembered this week that I had some of these to choose from at the top. Normally when I get this kit, I'm like, no, I've got none. I've got no headers in this kit, and then get another one and then realise somewhere later on that actually I had some headers. Today I remembered. I think as well for Valentine's Day in my Hobonichi weeks, I'm going to use this kit. It's just gorgeous. She did another one as well called Cupid. And I did actually have that, but I gave it to my friend as well. So yeah, because as my daughter would say, sharing is caring. She says that all the time. I'll sit down and I'll have something like a split pot yogurt. She's quite into them, or anything, just anything. And she'll be like, can I have some? And I'm like, no, this is mine. She's like, but Mum, sharing is caring. Like, how can I refuse that? That kid is smart. That kid is smart. So let's get the rest of this bottom washi down. And then, it's so gorgeous. That reminds me of like a stick of rock. It's beautiful. And then I was just checking that I didn't miss a page. If anybody watched my last video, my B6 Stylogy plan with me, you will know that I missed a page in that one. I just had a horrible thought then, like, have I missed a page? But no, I haven't. Right, so what I want to do is use all of these boxes because they're beautiful. So I'm going to put the card one. And I like how these ones are littler as well. These are perfect for print pressure weeks because it makes sure that I can get some deco on, but I don't lose too much space. So I'm going to use one on my sidebar just to make sure that I get a bit in. Now let's get some trackers. Now you only get one tracker with this kit, which is fine. I can save that for another day because I need two. So let me have a look. In fact, actually, do I have one that I can steal out of the print Pression one, or is that going to be a smaller one? Oh, it's a different shape. That's a shame. That's a shame. I could have stolen that. Never mind. Let's see what I've got in here then. It's pink. I need pink, and I'm pretty sure that I'll have loads of pink. Although I've got into the habit of only wanting to use ones that are from the same shop. Otherwise I feel like it looks a bit weird. None of these pinks are screaming out to me really. What do I have in my tracker folder? These ones will be okay. I need to reorder some trackers. I've hardly got any left. So these ones are just from a single sheet from Plannerface. As you can see, I've used them a lot. I love them. So we want one for my beauty Instagram and one for my planning Instagram. And then what do we have at the bottom? Let's just put a page flag. And then if I end up with an important to do, I can just pop that on there like that. Right, let's put the weekend banner down, because if I don't do that, I'm going to forget and won't end up using it. So I'm going to do that while I'm thinking about it. I like how it's very handily got a heart in the middle to help me place it. Lovely. And then, so we can pop down this video on a Monday. I wanted to find the insert for this pen so I could refill it, but I think I've lost them. Hang on. I should have done this before I came on. Are they in here? Oh, they are. Hang on, hang on. There we go. There we go. Right, is this going to be a quick job? So this is my favourite pen, as you guys know. I've been using it for like the last 2 years, and only about a month ago did I realise that you could buy refills. I've just been buying a brand new pen every time because I'm just dopey like that. And I only realised because I went to buy this pen and this pen came with free refills, and I was like, wait a minute, are you serious? Let's just throw that one on the floor so I don't think that that one has ink in it. Oh no, I've thrown it on the floor now. The dog's gone to see what it is. Dexter, leave it please. Right, so there we go, better. Right, Print Passion Week's plan with me. Oh, it seems to be going a bit streaky. It's just taken a while for the ink to get to the front of the pen, I think. I wonder if the ink's a little bit cold because it's been in that pencil case in my planner cart, and my planner cart sits in the corner of the room. And they've been in there for, oh my goodness, so long. Do you think that I can cut down these trackers? I only need the 3 hearts because I just need film, edit and upload. Do you think that I can cut one of these hearts off? I reckon I can. That would do. I'm not going to be able to save the heart that I've cut off, but I'm not bothered. I would rather do a little bit of surgery and use a sticker and just waste a little bit rather than not use it at all. So we have got film, edit and upload, and let's do this as well. There we go. And then to use up a little bit of space at the bottom of there, I'm just going to use one of these beautiful headers. And then if I need to write anything under there, I've got a bit of space as well. So let's move on to Tuesday. I have nothing planned for Tuesday. I don't think I'll get a video filmed tomorrow because Chris is off again and it's my turn to put Paigey to bed. So I don't think I'll get the chance. I want to save. I'm going to put the love one down, the stamp one down at the bottom, actually on Valentine's Day, because I feel like that's the most lovey-dovey one. And I think that I'm going to put this one down on Tuesday because I don't think, like I said, I don't think I'm going to film a video tomorrow. But I do think that I've got a post for my beauty Instagram because I got sent a face mask subscription box and I need to pop my post up for that. So I am going to put a page flag down. If I get that up, I can write that down there. So moving on to Wednesday then, I've got my Josephine Bow Designs PR post. Did you all shop in the Ultimate Planner sale? What did you buy? I just bought from Josephine Bow Designs and Have It Right Designs because I have spent enough lately. I have spent enough. It was tempting though, it was tempting. I wanted to order from Plannerface because they were in the sale, but I was like, no, I can't stop spending. I have an absolute ton of stickers. I'm really lucky, I have a ton, and I need to shop my stash a little bit more. I mean, I do go through quite a lot of stickers, don't get me wrong, because obviously I have 3 planners at the moment, and I will have 4 once my memory planner comes. But yeah, I need to be using what I've got. I think I'm going to put a header across here like this, and then I'm going to put a washi to mark Washi Wednesday. I'm sure, I hope that I've got some paper K ones in here like this and this, but a pink one. I hope. I do have some more of those stickers in my collection, so I can go in if I don't have any in this book. It's not looking likely now that I've got past that page because they were all together. Let me have a look then. Oh, here's one. Oh, just one as well. I better reorder those. We'll run out of pink. So if I just put that there, then I think that marks nicely that it is Washi Wednesday. So then let's move on to, oh, I'm losing a hair. Thursday. Thursday night I'll be able to film a video, and I want to film a Hobonichi Weeks plan with me because, like I said, I'm a little bit behind. I haven't filmed one for a while. So we can put that down for Thursday. I love these stickers, they're so good, so cute. And then we'll cut one of these down again. Oh my God, if you heard that, I'm really sorry, that's my neighbours screaming. They do not get on. So we've got a film, edit, and upload. And then I think I will put a quarter box underneath there. Oh, hang on. I could put a bit of deco. No, I'm not going to fit a bit of deco down. I'm going to put my quarter box here. And I'm going to put deco on these 2 days just so that I can get these boxes used because they're so gorgeous. I don't want to leave one behind. I want to use them. I made that sound really serious. Never leave a man behind. Don't worry, we got you. You can go right there. And then we can use the remaining one that says XOXO, which always reminds me of Gossip Girl. Who watched Gossip Girl? So amazing. It's still on Netflix at the moment, I think. Every now and again I fancy rewatching it. I was a huge, huge fan of Chuck Bass. I know his character and that is disgusting, but I'm afraid it really is one of those girls and a bad boy situation. There was just something about him. I couldn't help myself. I just, yeah, a little bit in love with Chuck Bass. And I think I'll probably get a video filmed on Friday as well. So I'm going to use this last one box. I'm not going to write in what video because who knows what that might be. It might be a haul. I'm expecting quite a bit of shopping. So we might have a haul coming soon. And then I haven't got enough room, or I might have enough room to squeeze in the film edit and upload. But I think if I just put a quarter box in, that will look a little bit cuter. So we'll go with that instead. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love how that's turned out. So I do have a few stickers left, all of which will go in my reusable sticker book. Let's see what we can do about the date dots. I think I've got some clear, clear ones with the black foiling. I think that will be quite cute. So this is the 14th on the Sunday. I'm going to work backwards because I know that that's the date that's on Sunday. I think it's the 8th. Today it is. And then I think we are pretty much done with the spread. These stickers are so miscut. Every time I've had one of these Happy Planner sticker sheets with the numbers on, they're always miscut. I end up having to pull them off like really aggressively. I mean, on the plus side, I suppose that it's clear sticker paper, so it's not going to show if I do like pull it at a jagged edge, but still, it's a little bit annoying. I pulled the 7 off and I don't need the 7, so I'll just tuck that back on there. But yeah, I think that that is how this week is looking for now. That's super cute. I love how that's turned out. Yeah, so I'm going to use the Hobonichi Weeks kit in my Hobonichi Weeks sometime soon, so you'll be able to see how that looks as well. But I love how this has turned out. I'm super happy with it. And that is me. I am going to go. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.